Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we have a competition between these two pairs. This is group A and this is group B. And I will be asking them to repeat the sentences about their morning routine, especially about their personal care and in the bathroom. I mean, whatever comes in the bathroom, and they will have to talk about them. Group A will speak one sentence, and group B will speak the second sentence. I mean, we have discussed the whole routine, and each group knows very well, so they will have to speak about the second thing that they are doing in the bathroom and about their personal care. So a competition starts. You The rules are, when they speak the sentence, one of you have to answer. If you don't know answer, he can answer it. Okay, so you have to keep the mic in between so that it is approachable to both of you. Okay, are you getting me? Yes. Let's start. The sentence number first should come from group A.
I walked to the washroom.
I turned on the light.
I use the toilet.
I wash my hands.
I splash warm water on my face.
I toilet and go.
I look at.
No, he has to speak. His friend should help him. Nobody else.
I rings my mouth with water.
No, this is not the correct sentence. What do you do after turning on the light? I look at the mirror.
I look.
No,
okay.
repeat.
I look at the mirror.
I look at my face in the mirror. So the correct sentence is this one. Okay.
Okay.
Now.
I brush my teeth.
Okay.
I rings my mouth with water.
Good.
I take shower.
I take a warm shower. Good.
I wash my head with shampoo.
No, I shampoo my hair.
I shampoo my hair.
No, you lost it. Now you.
I use a soap with water.
You can say yes, but that is not the correct one. We used what we said. We said that I dry my body.
I dry my body with soap.
You dry your body with soap. You dry your body with towel.
With towel.
Repeat this again.
I dry my body with towel.
With towel, yes. With a towel, with a soft towel, you can say that. Okay. Now it's your turn
I hang the towel to dry.
to dry. Yes, मैं तुलिये को पुश करने के लिए लटका देता हूँ. ठीक है? Good. So that was a little bit of the competition and
Finish.
so very good. This was a very short and comprehensive competition. Hope you would have liked that. And the main purpose is that my students become able to speak in front of camera, so that they may be able to overcome the hesitation in speaking English. Okay. So I think this activity will be helpful in that. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We will record another video for tomorrow, inshallah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Allah
Thank
Hafiz.
you.